Let's try putting it all together. How about the progression 1, 4, cadential 6, 4 to 5, to 5, 7 to 1. This is our standard tonic, predominant, dominant, tonic progression. We'll do it in the key of C. Here's 1. Let's move root bass motion up a fourth or down a fifth. That is, okay. Keep the common tone here. Other voices up by step. Okay. Let's go to the cadential 6, 4. So how are we going to do this? From 4 to 5, okay, we know is root bass motion up a step. So we're going to take this doubled root and drop it down the step, right? Other two voices down by step. So that would take us to this, right? Except we don't want that. What's going to happen is we're actually going to think about first taking the fifth and the third above the bass and replace it momentarily with this. Okay? The 6th and the 4th. So we have to move to the cadential 6, 4 first. So we'll try it again. 1, 4. Then here's the cadential 6, 4. 7th. One way to think about moving from 4 to the cadential 6, 4 is that you actually do keep a fifth above the bass as a common tone briefly. So watch. Here's 1 to 4. Okay? Now if we're going to move to the cadential 6, 4, okay, we can actually simply move this doubled root down a step and keep this as a common tone. I would suggest really thinking of the cadential 6, 4 as a replacement, not as a whole another set of rules that moving from 4 to the cadential 6, 4. Let's try it in a different key, in a different voicing. Let's try it in the key of D. 2 roots, 3rd, 5th. 1 to 4, keep that common tone. Let's go to the cadential 6, 4. Now let's finally add the last piece of the puzzle, which is to move from 1 to 4 to the cadential 6, 4 to 5, and then to a deceptive cadence, that is moving to 6, same key. Now at this point, what do we do? Remember? That's going to go down the 3rd. So I'll play it in order.